Hello there. We are a group of students who are participating in the Bright Ideas Challenge. Our team consists of Brandon, Xin, Jingfang and Yixuan. For our team, we have come up with a possible energy problem that will be faced in 2050 and also came up with a solution. The possible problem faced is that there will be a lack of non-renewable fossil fuels such as crude oil, natural gas and coal. Our solution for this terrible problem is to use a moisture mill. This innovative idea was adapted from Columbia University. It comprises of a wheel with a bunch of spores around it, and half of the wheel is placed in a humid environment and the other half will be placed in a dry environment. This is because spores will expand when the humidity level is high and will contract when the humidity level is low. Hence this will cause a tiny imbalance on the wheel, which results it to push forward. This allows the moisture mill to convert into an evaporation-driven car just by connecting the rotating circle to a wheel, and the device will be able to move perfectly like a normal car. All you need to do is just feed it some water to create the different humidity level between both of the halves, and it will immediately start to function. This will be a huge improvement for the environment, as this will reduce the amount of oil and fuels used and are instead replaced with spores and water. Spores are actually interesting organism because the moment they absorb moisture they will expand, and likewise when they lose moisture, they will contract. So researchers saw that if they had the power to control evaporation, then they would be able to control the expansion and contraction of the spores that could be used like little muscles. But the problem is that each spore is about a micron long. 25,000 of them laid end to end would stretch about an inch. So what the scientists did was to devise a way to link the gaps and to power devices like a toy car to demonstrate that their method can really work. In conclusion, using spores and water is the best solution to solve the problem. This is because Earth is mostly made up of water and spores come from non-flowering plants.